Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Happy to be here. Today's theme is going to be about a squeeze page, a bridge page, and the sales page. Those three things are critical when we are building a successful business from home and how to get to the money quickly, right? We can actually do that within 24 hours. We can do it right away in less than an hour, in fact. If we follow the steps and take massive action, you will start getting results immediately because this is a proven formula that we have used over time and it doesn't change. Other things changes like the platforms and the algorithms, but the essence of the formula stays the same, and that is collecting emails of people that are interested in buying informational products and other products that are already made for us, that companies are paying 75% commission, sometimes even more, for us to bring a lead to them, so that they can obtain the product that they're selling, right? And usually those products are memberships, so it's a product that they have to buy over a period of time and hopefully forever, because it's a great product. It delivers on the results that it says it does, so people usually continues to buy that product. And as long as a customer buys the product and came through our unique link, I'm going to show you how to get those unique links, so follow the instructions below. But once a person buys from that unique link, then the commission gets delivered to you, right, immediately. So every time they make a payment every month, if they're buying every month or every 2 weeks, whatever it is, then you're getting paid every time that 75% commission, okay, or even more, or sometimes less. It depends on the product, and it depends if you make your own product. We can also make our own PDF book and sell it into the marketplace for whatever it is, and we earn that 100% commissions, right? We're going to show you how to position yourself on the marketplace, show you some ninja marketing tips that no one are talking about it, right? Basically, these are advanced marketing tips that you only find in the inside of the inner circles that I'm about to give you below this video, right? So go ahead and follow the instructions. I'm going to leave the links below. But a squeeze page, a capture page, collects the emails in exchange for something of value that we're giving to the viewer, to the lead. So if we're talking about health, it maybe is an article regarding 3 tips of how to lose weight in 5 days, right? Or whatever it is. And they will give their email because they want to get to the information, or they want to get to the video. On that page, on the next page, we call that a bridge page. And a bridge page basically is a video of us explaining the product a little bit and saying why it changed our lives, so that we can build trust, liking, and knowing to the customer, like, hey, this is a real person behind him. I landed on his page, I enter, he sent me the PDF. Now he's on a video and he's explaining the experience that he had with the product and how great it is, so that the customers feels more comfortable to go ahead and purchase from us. Once that video is over, we will have a call of action, right? Very important call of action. Take action now is basically, right, saying buy the product now. When you're ready, hit the, we'll say click here to pay now. And on the next page, it will be a sales page of the product, or maybe even another video that explains the product even farther, right? And it will be a sales page. We call that a landing page, or it's a sales page. Basically, it's what ultimately will sell the customer, and the customer will make a decision then. However, if the customer does not make a decision, then he will land on our autoresponder. I'm going to also leave the link below so that you can grab the autoresponder, which is critical to have. It's an asset because it's what collects the emails of all the leads are coming into our capture pages, and we can have many of them going